I'm going to have Phil Wilkinson, one of our physical therapists, show me some exercises that will help with shoulder, neck, chest pain, because we're all very much hunched over computers all day long. We're like this, and we tighten up through here, and it affects, like for me, it affects my shoulders, my traps quite a bit. Phil, please.
Okay. First thing you do, put your arm flat against the wall, palm down, elbow on it too. You're going to take a step forward, get a little closer to the wall with your right leg forward. The inside leg is the one that's going to be forward here.
Okay.
And then what you do, stay tight here. Make sure you're not going to extend back or hunch forward. And then you're going to slowly roll away, peel yourself off the wall until you feel a stretch here.
Yeah.
The bigger the stretch, you're going to lean forward or bring your arm higher up or move closer to the wall.
Okay. I feel that pulling through my neck, my shoulders, traps.
Biggest stretch should be felt right here through the pec.
It really is, yeah. Okay. Then we do the other side, same way. Face the wall, left foot forward, and rotate it. Oh yeah, I feel it all through there. Okay. Then you had another one that you want me doing?
Similar stretch. It's going to be for the short head of the bicep, just because of its attachment to the scapula here.
Okay.
What you're going to do is put your arm flat against the wall like this. So the thumb and the finger side is going to be flat against the wall.
Okay.
As far as you can get it, if you can get part of your forearm and up to your elbow there, that's great. Most people probably can't. You're going to have the same position, just like that. Right leg forward, the inside leg's going to be forward.
Okay.
And you're just going to roll yourself away again. And you should feel that stretch more.
I do right through
elbow
there.
up to the shoulder.
Okay. So, and the purpose for this one too is to
stretch the muscle that's attaching to the front of the shoulder blade. That little point that comes across to the front of the body called the coracoid process. Most of that stretch should be felt right here in the bicep though.
Yep,
most of us when we're standing, we always have pretty much bent elbows when we're working, doing most stuff. So the tighter that gets, the more it wants to roll things forward as well.
I definitely feel that. And then this one.
Yep. If you can, try to keep the hand about the height of the shoulder if possible.
Okay.
Lower is fine if you can.
Wow, that's actually difficult to do. But I can feel it. Okay. And how many times a day and how often?
I like to hold it for as long as possible. You just stretch out to your body, pretty much tells you it's hit its point.
Okay.
That could be 10, 15 seconds. That could be a minute or two.
Okay.
Just taking slow, deep breaths. You want to relax into the stretch. You don't want to force it. So every time you exhale, you should be able to pick up a little bit more range. Once you get to the point where you can't do that anymore, cut the exercise, come back at it again, maybe do it 4 or 5 times a day.
Great. Thank you.